guys, welcome to my fragrance channel. How are you guys doing today? And here I am, guys, with another Middle Eastern perfumes. On this channel recently I talk about Middle Eastern perfumes, but also you could find some other perfume reviews too, just like Zara or some other affordable brands. Today guys, I would like to unbox this perfume. You don't see the name here written, but guys, this perfume is oh, you can see, guys. It's actually, guys, Shams Al Emarat Khussusi. Shams Al Emarat Khussusi Red Oud. No. That's not red oud. That's just Shams Al Emarat Khussusi without red oud. But there is another one that is with red oud. And guys, I have that one too, and I really like it. For that reason, I wanted to buy this one just to see how it is, because the bottles looks different, and somebody told that this one can be actually even a little bit better. As guys, I'm not familiar with this perfume, I have to read it for you a little bit, but first we will unbox it. We will unbox this perfume. For some reason on Fragrantica, guys, you look at this particular type of band that they put. Is very nice, isn't it? The price was very affordable. On Fragrantica it's written for man and for woman, but I don't believe in it, guys. I think it might be more for ladies, but let's see guys. I will unbox this particular perfume. So that's the box, guys. It lifts up very nicely. Super nice, isn't it? Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is so nice, isn't it? And those Ard Al Zaafaran kind of perfumes, especially in the recent purchases, guys, I noticed that they put a lot of citrus in the perfume, which is great. It makes perfume very nice. It makes perfume kind of look. Oh, what's that flower? Some kind of flower. Ard Al Zaafaran. These are the crocs, isn't it? Flower is crocs, probably. It makes perfume to be kind of summery and fresh. Ooh. Let's see. I already see the perfume lying inside. Lying inside the box. Okay, let's close this one now. Let's close this one. And let's close it in the same way as we found. And let's see, guys. Let's see right now. What do we see? It seems a little bit dusty, the perfume. Let's see, guys. Shams Al Emarat Khussusi seems a little bit dusty, the perfume. There's this type of bottle like this. I wonder if in some of the bottles the bottle shape of the bottle was a little bit wider, or is this some kind of new, I can't remember. Anyway, so let's see what it is. Is there anything written here? Nothing. Anything? There's nothing, absolutely nothing. One thing that I'm praying for, guys, is that I hope the bottle of this perfume, the sprayer, will not break, because it broke for me a few times. Ard Al Zaafaran brand, guy. The sprayer was just breaking in for me. Same like Latafa, some of them Latafa as well was breaking in for me. Let's see, guys. So I put this perfume like this for you, and I want just to quickly have a look. I'm not familiar with this perfume. Let's have a look, guys. First, basically it says main accords, guys. So main accords is written rose, woody, fruity, warm, spicy, vanilla, powdery, oud, citrus, fresh, sweet. So it's written rose, fruity. I'm afraid of rose, but it says woody as well, fruity, warm. I hope that vanilla and woody and fruity things will kind of overpower rose, because I'm a bit not very interested in rose. So then let's see. So it's by Ard Al Zaafaran, guys. Ard Al Zaafaran, it's amber vanilla. I like that, amber vanilla. for man and woman. So 2004 is the year, 2004, and top notes, it says apple. Can you imagine? It says apple, and then vanilla, mandarin, orange, and then middle is rose, vanilla, spices, ylang ylang, amber, and then there's little bit of oud as well, and then sandalwood, patchouli, and white musk. I really kind of interested in this combination, what it's going to be, you know. In the future, guys, I will do a comparison video for you finally to compare this Shams Emarat Khussusi with you know, this Shams Al Emarat Khussusi with the other one, red oud, which I really like. So it's very interesting. Let's see very quickly, guys. Let's see super duper quick what other people say. It says long lasting, or moderate. So some people say moderate, some people say long lasting, and then what else? They say that it's supposed to include the spray, you know, the like a deodorant, but there was no deodorant inside. There was no deodorant inside. I wonder why. There's really no, there was nothing. There was no deodorant in this one. I wonder why. It's like clearly, you know, I can see the pictures that they're supposed to include deodorant. Maybe it's a fake version I got. I don't know. Okay, so first review, let's say it says, guys, it's a quite masculine, fresh, spicy, woody scent that is pleasant but not unisex to me. It says, so basically, rose, amber, patchouli, sandal, orange is the most prominent, and then I don't smell any like similarity to 1 million or bubblegum scent. She cannot smell it basically. And then the oud is dirty and overbearing, you see. So that's negative review. And then let's see, moderate performance, unisex, it says. Nice but a bit fleeting, it says. Doesn't linger too long. I smell this perfume as 1 million Paco Rabanne. It doesn't smell 100%, but has notes similar to it. So some kind of Paco Rabanne. I don't think I liked very much those Paco Rabannes. So bubblegum smell, sweet and confident scent, you know. And then what else? There's not much reviews, guys. Basically, a little bit under question are the reviews, I would say. What about, guys, if right now me, you know, I would like to kind of see if what is this about, you know. Let's see. I will spray it, guys, right now. It's 100 ml. I will spray, and I will tell you guys, is this perfume similar to, you know, similar to that, the one that I have, another one, I have that red oud. Let's see. I will also let you know, guys, is this like a, you know, is this like a manly or not? Oh God. Guys, so this perfume is very similar to Shams Al Emarat Khussusi Red Oud, the one that I already got before. This one has maybe more citrus, you know, but I would say, guys, they are very similar. So, because I already have that Shams Al Emarat Khussusi, you know, the other one, Red Oud. So this one doesn't surprise me, but if I wouldn't have that one, I would like this one so much. Now I like both of them equally. Just one disappointment. I thought that this one, guys, will be just tiny bit different than the one that I have, but they are very similar. Just this one has more citrus. I think, guys, let's say if you are a man choosing either this one or the one that is red oud, then I would say go for that one, for this one, without red oud, because this one has some citrus and maybe, you know, will be kind of more suitable for you. I can see that there is slight type of, how to say, manly note in there, but there's so little, you know, that really I wouldn't say any issues for women to wear it. Like, it's very nice. So how does that smell like? It smells, guys, little bit citrus, warm, spicy. Warm, spicy. Rose, I didn't smell that rose that much. There is freshness, sweetness. There is freshness, citrus, sweetness, with that type of, that warm, spicy is more dominating, you know. And the rest can be mixture of little bit fruits at the end there. Like, it's very nice, guys. So that red oud is very similar to this one, you know. I think it's very versatile, guys. Very versatile. I think it's, and there's nothing to be afraid of this perfume. I'm not sure about longevity, guys. Longevity. I will be wearing, guys, them together to see which one lasts longer. But if you are a man, maybe choose this one without the red oud. It will be a little bit less feminine for you. I still think it's kind of leaning towards femininity too, this perfume, although there is some type of freshness that could be suitable for men as well. Like, quite nice, guys. I like this Shams Al Emarat range. I think I prefer the red oud bottle more, you know. I prefer red oud bottle more. I think it's, yeah, I guess, like, you know, those type of vibes of 1 million, or those Paco Rabanne, or those 1 million type of vibes, but much type of more, little bit interesting, you know, in a way. And those 1 million, they are expensive, you know. They are like 50 euro or 60 euro, and this one is much less, guys. So it's definitely, this one is more interesting. I will be wearing, guys, this perfume. I'm happy to be able to open it, you know. It didn't surprise me because I thought it would be slightly different than what I already have, but it's very similar, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope that helped you. I hope, guys, I helped you, you know, in a way. I will do that comparison with video one day to compare them both together, but I can see it's not much to compare apart from this one has citrus notes. Okay, guys, I will leave you at that. I hope that helped you. It's a positive reviews, guys. It's a positive review about this perfume. I think you will like it. It's not kind of, how to say, it's not surprising, this perfume, that much, but it's pleasant, warm, you know, kind of very suitable for any occasion. Type of versatility is the factor in this perfume. Versatility is the major factor. That means you can hit it, guys. If you go to work, you can hit it, and that oud that is there is, you know, not overpowering. I don't know why that first review on Fragrantica was saying that, kind of not very positive, but I see positivity, guys, in this perfume, and I will let you know more in the future. Guys, I will come back to you soon. Like this video so I will know if you like the videos that I do or not, and I will come back to you soon in another moment. See you soon, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.